Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Banwan ra ya kejingnya keren, kejingnya tai, bat yathir, bat banjam saprang hakarukom kebalai luot, bat kebam syak siliang, haka imlang salang, mentah kekenti, kawai niki skol ba, kebam day jong kesorkar, kebadan haka ni ganong ba Shillong, ke Martin Luther Christian University, kala pelong ya kelempung ya tai ke ba ars ngilantar, haka ni ke skol ba, halor ke pang pedeng ke baong hak tien pareng, gender, sexuality, and society in tribal Northeast India and their implications for tribal youth. Ya kini kejelang la pelong haka arpway, but arpu arterik mentau naiweng. Haka bakaway, naki artis drodor bapau kejela ikong karin langste ila long kekongsan. But ban pelong ya kini kelempung labai tingkah daka office rekam jang Deputy Commissioner jang ke East Coast Sales District ke Balawan Lengba ke Chief Minister's Fund. Haka ni kelempung kriyo sempang ki bela ajeng keren ki kentop ya ke editor jang ke kot khobor The Shillong Times ikong Patricia Mukim ke Dr. R.L. Nuni ke badai ke pastor jang ke Baptist Church of Mizoram nang tau Dr. Andrew Jeme ubadai professor haka subject history jang ke University of Melbourne but director jang ke Northeastern Social Research Center Guwahati Dr. Melvin Pereira. Ya kani kelempung lapan kutno da ke je keren kerpangru sapang ki kentai khamtam Hakarkom Shimrai Jongki ringkat ke presentation ya ke balayok jengkeren kerpang na ke director jong ke Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong ke Dr. Sandra Albert. Bat sakawai pak ke jengkeren ke day halor ke bor perkhat jongki kentai hakaba layok jengkeren na ikong Melissa Kendia. Bat halor ke wai pat kepang ke bayday bat ki kentai kum kinong sumar breu hakarkom tenrai hakaba layok jengkeren na ikong Meferin Rentatiang.
We also know that it is patriarchy that has defined that role, since women's voices are hardly captured in literatures of all kinds, except after the rise of feminism in the West in the 1960s. In India, the awareness about gender and its concerns, which essentially traps women in domestic roles and does not see any economic product in the nature of their domestic duties, even though when someone else other than the wife or mother does it, then it becomes an economic activity, came rather late.